Hey Kyle, what's the biggest feature of this home you want to showcase today?
Oh, I don't know, Richard. How about this?
We're perched at the very top of Silvertip today, fronting onto the Silvertip golf course to show you a very special house. We've already shown you those views, but Kyle, what else have we got?
We've got over 2,800 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a killer family room.
Let's go inside and take a look. As soon as you walk into this home, you'll notice that classic mountain architecture. We've got the slate entrance floor, and then we've got those beautiful timber frame features and cathedral ceilings to take advantage of those mountain views.
On the upper level of this house, we literally have 270-degree mountain views, decks front and back, ample sunshine. It really is amazing up here.
The mountain architecture of this home really gives it that mountain cabin retreat feel. We've got looking out from your living room onto nice mountain forests. And then when you turn and pivot to my right, you can access the deck, but you've also got those incredible unobstructed mountain views from Pigeon Mountain all the way down to Cascade Mountain.
Having this very large and open living space is fantastic for entertaining. You've got an amazing kitchen here, pantry, over into this beautiful farmhouse sink. I can't wait to do the dishes with this amazing view. Howdy, I'm just a few steps down from the upper level in an optional 4th bedroom or private office.
And then the only other room on this level in the house is the primary suite. We're overlooking the backyard. We've still got some amazing mountain views from these windows. You've also got your own private deck for that morning coffee that looks at those south-facing mountains. And then just an unbelievably fantastic ensuite washroom.
Privacy continues on the lower walkout level. We've got 10-foot ceilings, timber beams, and a brand new wet bar.
As Kyle said, we might be on that lower level, but these 10-foot ceilings and these beautiful windows letting in all that natural light really give you a nice sense of space down here. We've got access to your backyard and hot tub, very private out there still. And then rounding out this house just off to my right, we've got 2 guest bedrooms and a bathroom. As always, thanks for watching. Our contact information is just below if you want any information on this property or any others in Canmore. And don't forget to click that subscribe button. We've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.